It should be our topic.
Oi.
Quite sad when I heard of the death of Senior Superintendent Dermot Lawrence, who is believed to have committed suicide in St. James Friday. Boy, he's been in the force for 37 years, and the High Command is suggesting that they're mindful of intense stress at the job and impact these can have on our members' personal lives and performance. He says, and I quote, "We therefore implore our members to avail themselves of the mechanisms that the organization has established to cater to their overall well-being, to include three main support systems." He says the volunteer pastors program, the chaplaincy unit, and the medical service branch. Wow. Very sad.
But a lot of his colleagues, family and friends were in shock. That's what happens with suicide. You don't usually get a heads up, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, our condolences to his colleagues, to his family. Suicide is a tough one to get past. But
and also condolences to my colleague and good friend Bruce James, who lost his wife over the weekend. Very, very sad. So condolences to Bruce and family and
that's
friends.
really very sad.
Yep. What's the next one?
Apparently there's a staff shortage in our prisons. According to the 2017 Economic and Social Survey of Jamaica, which was recently published by the PIOJ, the Department of Correctional Services last year closed the year with 2,140 correctional officers, or 272 fewer than the number of officers that are actually needed in the system. There was also a report that there were only 153 probation officers in the correctional services, 11 fewer than the required number. As to what is going to be done about it, I don't know. But Chairman of the Jamaica Federation of Corrections, Arlington Turner, has said the working conditions in the island's prisons are atrocious, and most correctional officers are disgusted with how the relevant authorities treat the island's prison officers. Oh my gosh, that picture is... What are we looking at there? I don't even know. Whatever it is that need fixing up. He argued that the island's two major prisons are overcrowded, understaffed, and dilapidated, causing workers to perform in deplorable conditions, and they're saying nothing tangible has been done about it. So I guess that's the reason why a lot of people are just packing their bags and leaving.
Yep.
So hopefully we can do something to address that, because we need all hands on deck in those prisons.
Good morning, Neville. I live in Constant Spring Gardens. We've been having water lock-off for a while now. Water went yesterday morning from around 9. All know it is not back.
Wow.
And yesterday morning at 9, it says all know it is not back. It's not me saying that, by the way. Somebody sent that to me.
Okay.
Kitchen tech reduce excessive food waste. What's that, please?
This is an innovative new product that I've been reading about this for a while, but I guess it's now on tap. It turns your fridge, a regular fridge, into a smart device to help consumers reduce waste, food waste, and to save money. So it went from being a light system in the fridge to help you waste less food to a fully integrated solution that reminds you when food needs to be used up. It suggests recipes and it lets you shop for ingredients. It's called an Obvious food container, and it's fitted with a smart tag that allows customers to track food freshness. A light on the tag changes color from green to yellow to red, depending on the freshness of the food in the tub. So you're going from smartphone to smart TV to smart fridge.
But it says you can use a regular fridge, or is that special fridge?
It says it's a device that goes in the fridge. But I know there are fridges that will soon, if not already, are like that. Like it tells you what in the fridge you usually buy that not in there, so you can, like, on the road and check your shopping list, what you need to get. So trust me, guys, technology is incredible.
Okay, see?